Ever been so cold and uninspired that even your essential oils look at you like you're on your own today? That's where I am. So let's see what blend can thaw both my body and my mind. Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back to Voodoo Blends by Jack. Autumn is here and it is in full force. And a not so gentle reminder that winter is waiting in the wings. So I spent all day yesterday actually being a full-on aromatherapist. I was prepping for some holiday markets, working on the make and take for November. I'm pretty sure I used up all of my creativity because apparently that is possible, and it happened because this morning, today's blend did not come easy. Stuck, uninspired, and cranky about it. The temperature right now is like 40 degrees. The wind is like howling. My brain is moving at the same speed as cold molasses. So I pulled out my tongue of tree oracle cards, looked at the card for inspiration. It couldn't save me. It was a laurel leaf, bay laurel, and nope, not too menacing-y, not what my brain wanted. So when the inspiration doesn't show up, what do? Well, let's go to the elements. It's cold, it's windy. So, loud and clear today, guys. I need warmth. Maybe some movement, which is good because I'm going to the personal trainer here pretty soon. I need focus. I need to get unstuck. So, warming oils, right? They exist. It happens. So, first one to show up, black pepper. Honestly, it's in the lead position. It's the foundation of this blend. Here's a drop of black pepper. Okay. Physically, it stimulates circulation, warms cold limbs, brings blood back to the surface, gets things moving. Emotionally, follows the same kind of track. Inner voice kind of says, come on, come on, come on. We're not staying stuck here. It ignites focus, courage, momentum. It's fire energy in a bottle. I mean, it's earth and fire all together. Mm. Not everybody's cup of tea. That's all right. Literally cup of tea. Anyway, okay. So let's add to that a little sweetness. I guess you could call this sweet. I use it for baking. And actually, two is actually what I'm having now. I haven't even told you what it is yet. Nope. I guess just the one. We got cardamom. Cardamom taking the role of the mind clearer. Mind clearer. It's an oil of refreshing perspective. It helps entangle that overthinking, reduces mental fatigue, brings just enough lift to get on your own head. Now, it really wants to, because that black pepper's, it's strong. I mean, that's the whole point. It is the foundation. Okay, it helps support new cycles, beginnings. Really feels good for this seasonal shift that's happening. Side note, also very delicious in baked goods. So this oil gets extra bonus points for being both emotionally supportive and secretly dessert adjacent. All right, another warming oil. Ginger. Okay. Whoop, almost. Whoop. Yeah, well, the second one fell on me. Okay, ginger steps in as the grounded activator. Stimulates, but keeps you rooted. I mean, think about it. Think about what it looks like. It's a root, right? Connects you to your physical body, and when everything else feels kind of swirly and disconnected, it aligns beautifully with your lunar energy, which is coming up. We got the full moon coming up this week. So this is good for release and reset. Nice. I got the ginger. Black peppers have faded in the back. Cardamom has fainted. Okay, so you can't just go with these oils as is. You kind of, I mean, you could go floral. I went citrus. I did not do my favorite oil, but I did do blood orange, still in the orange family. Ooh, okay. Oh, kind of smells like the oven's on right now, but it's not. Anyway, okay. So blood orange, mood brightener, citrus. It's an emotional sunshine. I mean, that's. Oh, I wish it was sunshiny out. Well, it is sunshiny out, but I wish it was warmer. All right. So blood orange adds that kind of warmth without the sharpness, without the sweetness taking over. It keeps the blend from being too stern, too medicine-y, and gently says, "Hey, Joy. Hey, Joy. Come on, you matter too. Bring it on." Okay. So reminder. Hmm. Hmm. Thinking. Thinking one more ginger. Okay. There we go. Oh, it is. It's like the oven's making cookies. Okay. All right. Recap. Black pepper. Foundation, focus, internal fire. Cardamom. Mental clarity. Fresh start. Ginger, grounding, warmth. Body reconnection. Blood orange. Oh, emotional brightness. Seasonal uplift. Together, this blend it does warm the body. It's not going to warm me down to my toes as much as I wanted to, but warms the body, wakes the mind, softens the mood. Am I in a little better mood? I am. I'm getting there. Okay. So instead of diffusing or rolling this on my wrists, I mixed a few drops of this blend into unscented lotion and rubbed it on the bottom of my feet. Now, why feet? Well, first of all, that was the coldest part of my body. It's one of the fastest way to bring warmth and circulation back into the body. So soles are full of nerve endings, reflex points, large pores. When you're cold, unmotivated, and energetically stuck, working through the feet can be incredibly grounding and effective. Plus, it feels good, right? I also put on cozy socks afterwards. Highly recommend it. Okay, so today's blend, keep smelling. Warming, clarifying, just spicy enough to wake up the system again. All right. So I'm curious, what do you do to warm up when you're physically cold? Um, what about when your energy is frozen? Energy, your creativity is frozen. It doesn't have to involve essential oils. It could be a cup of tea, which I will be doing next. Maybe you need a run in place. Maybe baking something cozy, which I think just might have to happen. Maybe you're wrapping up in 3 blankets and refusing to move. Maybe the dog's curled up next to you because she's like a heated blanket herself. All right, whatever works, share it below. We learn from each other. Um, if this sparks an idea, just just made you feel kind of seen in this seasonal slump, hit subscribe for more intuitive blends, seasonal aromatherapy, and real life aroma moments, because that's what today was. So stay warm, stay curious, stay blending. See you next time. Happy blending.